What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Bang Boy over here showing you the easiest and the most accurate guitar tutorial on YouTube, which is At My Worst by Pink Sweats, and I'm just gonna cover some of the song which is just recently released having nice guitar parts. So let's dive into the song. We have the keyboard on the 5th fret, and just a 10-second I just want to speak please make sure that you subscribe. And one bad thing, really a bad thing happened to me, is my channel got likely hacked, but he was not successful. Let's move on. Just gonna tell about that at the end of this video. So we got the keyboard on the 5th fret, and if you just have a look, we have 4 chords and the same chord progression goes throughout the whole song. So just have a look at the chords. First chord is a G, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. You can even play 3rd fret on the B string, or you can even keep it open on the B string, as you can see in the tab. It's the same thing. Then we have an E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then we have an A minor, which is mute, open, second, second, 1, open. And then we have a D, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. So firstly, you know the chords. Just have a look at this part which goes at the beginning, and it's likely one of the main part of the song, the small melody we have. So grab a pick and let's get started. Keep on the 5th fret. I'm just going to show you the tab, and whatever I'm telling on the keyboard, the tab is showing will be relative to keyboard on the 5th fret. So we start off playing 3rd fret. Now make sure when you're picking, you do down, up, down, up, down, up. Never go down, down, down. So you go down, up, down. So let's play 3rd fret on the high E string, 5th fret on the high E string. Then what I do is I do a slide from 5 to 12 on the B string. Sorry, 5 to 7 on 5 to 8 on the B string. Get confused when I have the keyboard. So we are 5 to 8. So then we play 8 on the B string, and then we play 7th fret on the B string, and then we do a hammer on. So when we play the 7th fret on the B string, we do a hammer on the 8th fret of the B string, and then you play the 7th fret again on the B string and go back to 5th fret on the B string. So you got so we got then we have 7, 8 on the B string. Then we play 5th fret on the high E string. Then again we play 5th fret on the high E string. Then we play 8th fret on the high E string, 7th fret on the high E string. Then we do a pull off or slide back from 3rd to 2nd on the high E string. So we got da ding da, 1, 2, 3, da. So we got 1, 2, now there's a gap there, rest. It actually goes in a rhythm. It's not like it goes in a rhythm. So I see the song actually starts in the 3rd beat, so it will be 1, 2 on the beat starts. So it actually starts from there. So we have so when you play it, actually starts. The picking actually starts. The finger picking on the chord shapes. So we got. That's it. That's almost everything for the riff, and now let's move on to the chord. I'm just gonna show you an optional string pattern. If you just find this a bit hard, but I'm just gonna try my level best to clear everything out over here. The basic thing is actually super easy if you have ever finger picked. Using my thumb, or actually I picked using my pick. I had my pick in my hand, and then I was just using my pick to play the bass note, and I used these 2 fingers to play the other notes. But what you can do is you can use your thumb to play the E string, A string, D string. The bass notes are over there. Then I'm using my index finger for the G string, middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. Now what I do is on the G major chord, I have the bass note on the top E string, E minor on the top E string, A minor on the A string, D major on the D string. So the pattern will be all the chords except the D major, the pattern will be bass note, then the B and G string together, then we play bass note 2 times, then we play B and G together, and that goes for all the chords except the D. E minor same. When you come to D, you do the exact same thing. We play D major 2 times, D major once, but instead of playing G and B, you play high E string and B string with these 2 fingers, these 2, and then you play the D string 2 more times. So it's actually the same pattern, but we just like go down 1 string. So we got, and after playing the B and G string, you just keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord made it. You can even do a slap, but it's better to keep that a bit short. So after playing the B and G string or on the D major, B and the high E string, you just keep your hand. So make sure you do that and see how it goes. Nice and easy. So that's it. And now here's a string pattern which I like to do for the chorus. So what I basically do is a 2 down on each chord. I do 2 down, 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 and then I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord made once more. And I repeat that 1 more time on that chord. Last time, E minor, A minor, D major. That's super easy, and I hope that helps you out. Now, that's almost everything for this lesson. In case you're wondering, I actually forgot to tell you the chord progression, but there was a screen. You can see the chord progression over there. Now I just want to speak for a bit. My channel was actually hacked likely, and every day I just kept a look. At a certain time of 15 minutes, I saw there was a decrease of my subscribers. It was likely 50 subscribers. Like, I'm supposed to be at 1.8k, something like that, and man, I just lost a lot of subscribers even today. There are all the precautions which I've taken, and I think the thing should not be happening from the day after tomorrow. I even just mailed YouTube about that, and they're actually looking into that matter. So it's likely getting spammed or something like that. Even many of the YouTubers account like mine, having just few K subscribers, 1k, 2k, have been hacked a lot of times, and they have lost subscribers, and that's how they actually face that problem. Like before hacking, they like lost a certain number of subscribers, and I was like very much worried about that. They thought that I just gonna reach 2k subscribers. My target was to reach 5k subscribers as fast as possible, and I saw that. Like I was very much worried, but now I'm back again and trying my level best to help all you guys. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop me one of these if this helped you out, and drop me a comment down below if you just want to learn any other song on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.